Welcome back to Cardiff. I'm Jerry Forsyth. I'm honored to be joined into the booth by a grand champion and a good friend, Johnny Archer. Johnny, we got a great one coming up here.
Well, this is going to be a good match, Jerry. It's going to be, of course, Oliver. He's playing really well of late. It's going to be fun to watch.
Well, we've heard all week that Oliver's back in his A form, but he's going to have to be there to take on this man.
Wow, he scratched. Wow.
He sure did.
That was a very miscalculated shot there.
Good reason. You'll probably see some of that in this match.
Well, we're going to see how he's breaking. Oh, he hit him pretty.
Well, he's just made things a bit tougher by pushing that 7-ball down onto the rail. As if life were not hard enough. A little tough. He's going to have to hold that cue ball down on the same end of the table as the 1. I don't believe he has room between that 2-ball and the side pocket to play it into the upper left corner pocket.
Yeah, I can't tell if the 2-ball's past the point of the side or not. If it's past the point, he's got a little bit of room, but then the 7 really comes in play more. It's just kind of wait and see whatever he's looking above the side to try to land straight. But if he can land straight, he can get past the 7 where he have a thin cut on the 4.
We'll soon know what he has in mind. He's about to unleash the first shot of this match.
Oh, as with the home viewers, if the 2-ball is touching the rail, that means he has to drive it to another rail. He cannot. Okay, it's not touching. Good camera work right there. Okay, he was actually trying to play the 7 off of the 4 with a carom. And he hasn't come up, and he's left Oliver a shot in the side here, I believe.
Be the 4. And that's the pink ball you see up at the upper right-hand portion of your screen. He's going to have to make the cue ball travel a little bit here unless he decides just to pull off the 2.
Yeah, I think he's a little bit too thin to pull off the 2. I think if the bottom rail is available, he's going to try to just roll it in, come to the bottom rail and out 2 rails. If not, he'll have to pull it to the side rail and then back out 2 rails. Because I don't think he can hold it unless he calculates. I mean, he missed both sides. Well, he didn't like it. Let's see here, and I think he's going to the bottom rail. Oh, he hit him pretty well. Ooh, he almost scratched. He didn't, though.
He clears these balls. He's in the last hit.